Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Marvel Rivals game controllers is not working on your PC. Guys, first solution is open up the Steam, then just click on the game which is Marvel Rivals, then just click on this gear icon and go to your game properties. On the left hand side just click on this controllers, and in the override controller setting just choose enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check controller is working or not. If not, then just choose enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just choose the use default setting, then just close it. Now the first solution that you have to try is the connection. Make sure your controller is securely connected for wired controllers. Ensure the USB is properly plugged in for wireless controllers. Ensure they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. Now this is the first solution, and the second solution that you have to try is update driver. First open up the device manager, then just look for the human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers, right click and update driver, and then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. You can also see this. Now the third solution is configure controller setting in Steam. So just open up the Steam, go to the setting, go to the controllers, go to the general controller setting and enable the necessary configurations. This is essential for proper recognition of the controllers. Now the fourth solution is use big picture mode. Launch Steam in big picture mode can help configure your controller setting and resolve recognition issues more effectively. Now, the fifth solution is check for conflicting softwares. Ensure that no other software like third-party Gamepad emulator is conflicting with your controllers. And the sixth solution is change USB ports. Sometimes simply switching USB ports can resolve connection issues. So just try this. And hope one of these solutions fix your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye.